This 2023 Gulfstream Kingsport Lodge Series 36 FRSG is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulfstream is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features a silver interior, sleeps 9, Slideout, and 42 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.